niaruguretie guthondekwo weeru wa barabara ya muigana wa kilometer makiria ma 1,000 ari mehaririiaini mbura nene ya elnino itanyitwo kuura guukubururiini .Gukiri uguo ni ataririe ati kaunti iri na itanya ria kuhuthira bilioni 1.4 wakiini wa barabara.Mutongoria wa aingi mbungeini ya gibururi Dominic necokeirie Gavana ntutu ngatho kuona ati o wadi nihetwo muigana wa shilingi milioni 300.
We know that the weatherman has already warned us that in the next 2-3 weeks we will have El Nino, and that is why I'm going around to officially open the Maram roads that we have done for the last 1 year. We have done about 1,200 kilometers in over 30 wards, where we will commission a number of roads. The idea here is we want to make sure that the roads that we have are prepared for El Nino. Most of the roads that I've done are Maram. Some are actually just clearing the bush. And we are looking forward to really open up the entire Narok North. Narok North is one of the biggest challenges that we have.
When the governor came out with a vision of giving out projects 100 million per ward, it was unimaginable. I think it is the first county to realize that huge amount of money going to development. And
we have, as the county government, we have procured a moving machine amounting to 1.4 billion shilling. And they have all arrived. They are in the headquarters.
Na riu turoge nginya kuria kaunti-ini ya Kiambu kuria